back to London. If you guys are as much of a Harry Potter fan as I am, is you're in for a treat. You know, when you come to London, you're always looking out for all of the Harry Potter stuff to do because this is where they filmed it. This is where all the inspiration comes from. So today we are going to go to the inspiration for Diagon Alley, which is known as Leadenhall Market. Here we go. This place is just adorable. Plus it's decorated for Christmas, which makes it even more adorable. We got some little pubs here. Lots of shopping. Look at all those Christmas lights. I'm really enjoying Christmas in London. It is so festive here, and it's just very adorable to see all the lights and people ice skating, and there's hot chocolate and apple cider everywhere. Okay, so this is the official entrance. Oh my gosh,
Those look good.
yes, look at all the beer bottles up there.
Oh yeah, Coronas.
Those look amazing. San Francisco, I bet their tacos are like $5 a taco. Let's see. Oh, that's not bad. 3 tacos for £6.
That's not bad.
That's a steal out here. We saw one place for like $5.50 for one taco.
It's just like $7 USD.
Yeah, there's like $7 for one taco. I have no idea how big that taco was.
First one, and then watch what the afterwards will be.
How about some pizza? In our following videos, I'm definitely going to be doing other Harry Potter videos, so make sure you subscribe and like our channel. We are also in London and the UK for a while, so you can expect quite a few videos from us, and we are also going to try and make some videos in the different UK Harry Potter locations. So not just London, but outside of London. So
Yeah, we definitely got to get King's Cross and what is that bridge called? Suspension Bridge.
oh yeah, the suspension bridge. I definitely see where the inspiration is coming from, for sure. What do you guys think? Harry Potter-esque? For sure. You can get some shopping done while you're in here as well. Shopping's a little out of our price range and not really our style anyways. Look at all this. Self-guided walks with maps.
Harry Potter London.
We're not gonna get that, but you guys can get that if you do come visit here. That's cool.
We kind of just give ourselves tours. We don't really join the groups to save money.
You know, I think they said another area in England is also inspires Diagon Alley, and that's York. If not, it inspires, sure, a bunch of other stuff in Harry Potter. So it's a really, really cute town. I'm hoping we can make it there. Oh, all right, we gotta go back in. So that was like a nice, so that was a nice loop. We are walking back in. just to see the other side of it. I think we should grab a beer here. What do you think?
Of course.
If you guys aren't familiar with our page, we do a lot of things on a pretty low budget. We're not paid by YouTube yet, so until then, we're going to be doing a lot of budget stuff. We'll probably keep a budget afterwards, but we do actually have a special budget just for alcohol, because we just like to have fun. We don't want to limit our fun.
You're making us sound like alcoholics.
Well, everything else is free, therefore we budget for the booze. Know what I'm saying? Wow, that's really pretty. The 5 courses of Christmas. See all the dry aged meat. Also, if you come to London or England in general, they like to drink here. So I hope you like to drink too. I mean, it's Friday, but it's only like 1, and there are tons of people out drinking and just having a good time. I think that's what I like most about these places. Everyone just seems like they're trying to have a good time. I would put this on the list of places that you have to visit and you have to see yourself. I personally love Harry Potter, so anything that inspires Harry Potter is like an A+ in my book. But we're going to end it here. If you ever end up in London, make sure you come check out Leadenhall Market, which is just really cute. If you have the chance to come during the winter time, it's very festive, as you guys can see. But, alright, we're out. Make sure you like and subscribe to our videos for more.